Hello and welcome to this video on the smoothie diet for weight loss. Are you looking for a healthy and effective way to lose weight? Do you want to start your day with a delicious and nutritious smoothie? Then, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of the smoothie diet for weight loss and how it can help you achieve your weight loss goals. The smoothie diet is a great way to lose weight and improve your overall health. Here are some of the benefits of the smoothie diet. It's easy to follow. The smoothie diet is very easy to follow. All you need to do is replace 1 or 2 meals a day with a healthy smoothie. You can make your smoothie at home with fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients. It's nutritious. Smoothies are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy. By drinking a smoothie, you're getting a healthy dose of fruits and vegetables that you may not get otherwise. It's low in calories. Most smoothies are low in calories, which makes them a great choice for weight loss. By replacing 1 or 2 meals a day with a smoothie, you'll be reducing your overall calorie intake, which can help you lose weight. It's delicious. Smoothies are delicious. You can experiment with different fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients to create a smoothie that you love. And because they're so tasty, you'll be more likely to stick to your diet. It can improve digestion. Smoothies are easy to digest, which can improve your digestion and overall health. By drinking a smoothie, you're giving your digestive system a break from processing heavy, hard to digest foods. Now that you know the benefits of the smoothie diet, let's talk about how to make a healthy smoothie. Start with a liquid. Add a liquid to your blender first. This could be water, almond milk, coconut milk, or any other liquid you prefer. Add fruits and vegetables. Add your fruits and vegetables to the blender next. Some good choices include spinach, kale, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and mangoes. Add protein. To make your smoothie more filling and nutritious, add a scoop of protein powder or some Greek yogurt. Add healthy fats. Finally, add some healthy fats to your smoothie, such as avocado, chia seeds, or flax seeds. Blend it all together. Blend all of the ingredients together until smooth. If you're interested in trying the smoothie diet for weight loss, I have a 21-day weight loss diet plan in the description below. This plan includes recipes for healthy smoothies, as well as tips and tricks for staying on track with your diet. The smoothie diet is a great way to lose weight and improve your overall health. By replacing 1 or 2 meals a day with a healthy smoothie, you can reduce your calorie intake and get a healthy dose of fruits and vegetables. And if you're interested in trying the smoothie diet for weight loss, be sure to check out my 21-day weight loss diet plan in the description below. Thank you for watching.